let's draw the structure for 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. Pentane right here tells us that there are 5 carbons. Ane right here tells us that there are only single bonds between carbons. Okay, so let's draw the 5 carbons. And let's number them. It's the first carbon, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now on the second carbon, we have chlorine attached, which is right here. And on the fourth carbon, we have a methyl attached, right here. Okay, so let's get rid of these numbers and let's attach the chlorine and the methyl on the second and the fourth carbon. Chlorine goes on the second carbon. Methyl goes on the fourth carbon. This is the structure for 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page.